Hi, this is Rock. We're going to look at the group by function. So with this, it groups rows of data based on the way that you configure the group by function. So let's take a look again at our list of US counties. I'm going to freeze the panes right there. Let's see what the group by function can do for us. If I start to type group by, here we've got these required fields, the row fields. Then we've got values, and then we've got function. Let's use this example. Let's try to make the states grouped such that we sum the population by state. So if we group the fields of, we want to know the state, and then the values of those are going to be in the population, and then the function we want, and let's do a sum, and then we're showing 39,538, 223 for the population for California. Let's use a filter to do a quick test to see if that jives. If we filter for California, and then we have this population, and I select all that, it's 39,538,223. So that is correct. So this group by is working correctly. We've got the state, we've summed our group by. So this is state population. But let's say we want to go back to our Franklin County and see the average population. In this case, we would do group by, and the row field that we want to group by is the county name. So I'm going to choose this, and the values are going to be the population again. But in this case, the function, we're going to do an average, and then this should group our counties in averages, and then we should be able to just scroll down and see for Franklin, what is the average. Let's just do a quick lookup. We'll say, and then we'll say equals X lookup. We're going to look up that in this, and we'll return this. And so that is our average population. That is how to use group by. There we go. Next, we're going to look at transpose. See you then.